Hello, I'm back again with another chicken breast recipe that will make your mouth water. And before we continue, I am the cook. Subscribe, like and share, and let's share this knowledge. So let's get cooking. And today we'll be mixing batter with some garlic cloves with parsley, and we'll mix it together and then keep it in the fridge for 10 minutes so that it can solidify. And as it is in the fridge, we'll be preparing our chicken breast. Here you can do your arts and crafts. Put it in any shape, in any way that you'd like. I just found that this works better. I like it this way. So we'll be hammering the breast softly so that to make it flat and also spread without making it minced. And then we'll add some pepper and salt, and then bring our frozen batter out from the fridge and chop it into slices and put it in the minced meat and roll it. So you can prepare as many as you wish. And we'll be making some sausage like chicken breast. Sounds funny. Some sausage like chicken breast, and we freeze them for 15 minutes. And we'll be using some flour, eggs and breadcrumbs. So our frozen chicken breast will go to the flour. We'll roll them in the flour, and then the egg, and then finish with the breadcrumbs. So it will be like another KFC crunchy recipe. So you do to all your sausages, and then we'll fry them. We'll deep fry them for some few minutes, and as they turn some yellow red color, you take them out and put them in the oven, and that's where the magic work begins. I let them cook for 10 to 12 minutes, and after that, trust me, you will enjoy it. So let me get your feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching.